What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Chef K, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make this bacon mac and cheese. Let's go. So a few years ago I posted my first YouTube video, and it was my baked macaroni and cheese, and everyone loves that recipe. The video is still doing well to this day, so I figured why not post another version of the macaroni and cheese. So here I'm making some live cheese bacon macaroni and cheese, and I'm just going to salt the water, add in the pasta, and cook the pasta for about 8 to 10 minutes. Drain that and then make my bacon. So I'm just gonna go ahead and preheat my oven to 350 and cook the bacon for like 10 minutes. So while that's in the oven, I'm gonna go ahead and warm up my milk and my cream, and then I'm gonna add a half of a small onion and also a bay leaf into that and just warm it up for like 10 minutes. And then I'm gonna go ahead and make some roux. So you're gonna have some melted butter, some flour, and just whisk that for about 3 minutes so that all the flour cooks out. After that, you want to go ahead and take the onion and the bay leaf out of the milk and cream, and then pour in the milk and cream into the roux and just whisk that together. And then after about 5 to 8 minutes, it should start to thicken up and look something like this. And then we're going to go ahead and add all the spices that's listed on the screen. Now these measurements and ingredients will also be in the description box. I'm trying to work on doing my website so I can just post all my recipes on there so you guys can just, easily click it. I was trying to get somebody to do, but they was talking about $2,500, $4,000. I was like, what the heck is going on? So I'm going to have to do it manually. So just give me, a hot little minute, not a hot minute, but some time. And then we're going to turn the heat down to low and add in 1 cup of gruyere cheese, 1.5 cups of gouda cheese, and 2 cups of sharp cheddar cheese. And just whisk that all together till everything is combined and it's looking like this. Extra cheesy. Let's go. And please don't tussle in the comments on this one talking about, oh, you're supposed to make baked macaroni and cheese with eggs. I don't care. I promise you I don't care. There's a million ways to make baked macaroni and cheese. This is just one of them, so sit tight. Anyway, we're going to add in that cheese sauce, add in the chopped bacon, and just go ahead and start layering it. So once we have half of the pasta spread out, we're going to go ahead and add 1/4 cup of Gruyere cheese on top of that, and then also 1/2 cup of mozzarella and 1/2 cup of provolone, and then go ahead and spread the rest of the pasta on top. And then on the top wait, pause, on the top we're gonna go ahead and add 2 cups of cheddar and 1 1/4 cup of mozzarella cheese. Then you want to go ahead and bake that in the oven on 350 degrees and bake that for 45 minutes to an hour, and you don't have to cover it. And then once it's finished, it's going to come out looking like this, like amazing. Honestly, guys, this is the best macaroni and cheese that I've ever made. Like, it's top tier. Like, it's really good. This is the one. This is the one, y'all. This is pretty damn good. Not gonna lie. Very delicious. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. Like this video. Let me know what you guys think of this recipe down in the comments, and follow me on all platforms. I'll check you guys in the next video. Later.